There are people alive today who carry the DNA of an extinct human species, and that ancient inheritance gives them a superpower no modern human can match. High in the Himalayas, where oxygen thins and mountains pierce the sky, life should be impossible. At 4,000 meters above sea level, your lungs would scream for air, your heart would pound like a trapped animal, and your blood would thicken dangerously, choking your own body in its desperate attempt to survive. But the Tibetan people, they walk those altitudes like it's nothing. They laugh, they run, they live in places that would leave you gasping for breath within minutes. The secret lies inside their DNA, a single gene called EPAS1. It tells their bodies not to panic. While yours would flood itself with red blood cells, theirs remains calm, balanced, efficient. They move through the thin air as if their bodies were built for another planet. But here's the twist: that gene didn't come from us. It came from them. An extinct branch of humanity known as the Denisovans, tens of thousands of years ago, before modern humans even knew mountains like these existed. Our ancestors met the Denisovans, and they didn't just share fire or food, they shared blood. Fragments of that ancient lineage still flow inside a select few today, a living echo of a people long vanished from the earth. Think about it. Somewhere in your family tree, there might be a species that no longer exists, and in Tibet, that ancient spark didn't fade, it evolved into strength. In just 3,000 years, evolution sculpted one of the most extraordinary genetic adaptations ever recorded, to survive where oxygen is almost gone. We often talk about superpowers in fiction: flight, strength, endurance, but real ones have always been written in our DNA. And this one is proof that the story of humanity was never a single line. It's a web of species, bloodlines, and extinct cousins who still whisper through our genes. So next time you look up at the mountains, remember there are people who breathe that thin, frozen air, not because they conquered nature, but because they carry the memory of a species that was nature, a gift from the lost still alive inside us.